Decorating with string lights is more than just adding lights to a tree. The ideas are endless, and these little light wonders can be used in many different ways. Our mini LED string lights are battery operated and have a 6-hour timer. Adding string lights to a wreath is easy and adds a glow to the holiday. Shells, a candle, and string lights create a beautiful display. Simply wrap the lights around a candlestick for added charm. Enhance a plant for an unusual effect. Decorating floor plants with string lights for that special ambience. A tray of succulents, air ferns, and tea lights grouped for an elegant glow. Entertaining made easy for some special friends. String lights add that magical glow to metal lanterns and containers. String lights can make anything special. Let's make your home special too.